In a world of despair, never let go of your hope. There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, feels like there's no hurt or sorrow. Oh, there are ways to get there. If you care enough for the living, make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place. For you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we were conceived in will reveal a joyful face. And the world we now believe in will shine again in grace. So why do we keep blinding life from this earth, crucify its soul? Though it's clear to see the world is heavenly, because for you and for me and the entire human race. People dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. There are people dying. People dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and try to make it better for, make it beautiful for, try to make it better for. Heal the world we live in, save it for our children.